To register for the portal, you will click this bottom left square that says Login or Register. On the very bottom, you will see it says Don't have an account, sign up, and you will want to click that blue sign up there. It will ask you for various information. You will now be emailed a code to enter to verify your account. You will now type that code into the website and click Verify. On the website, it is asking you to acknowledge that the information that you provided is correct. It does also note here that the account will be under review and it could take 3 business days to be activated. When the team at the island activates your account, if you selected that you were a part of a company or if you were using an email address that is registered with a company, the town employees will link your portal access to that company. It is possible that the town will require additional information, including which company you're requesting access for. If you are not the registered agent or owner of the business, you will need to have an authorization form filled out by the registered agent or owner, allowing you access to pull permits on behalf of said company. The form will be emailed to you once you complete this step if that is necessary. Hit continue. It will now ask you to verify the information that you provided. Anything in gray is not able to be changed, but it will ask you for your contact preference. Click Next to proceed, and now it will ask you for your address, and you will click Submit. An alert will be sent to town staff to review your application for the website.